Hi, it's Tara here, your hair care specialist. Today we will show you some great tape options to keep your system intact for a week. Walker Tape German Brown. This hair system tape has been in the standard industry for many years with the firmest hold to hard bond adhesives that provide a 1 to 2 week hold. It is skin-safe, thick cloth tape that is 15.5 mils with low residue, semi-dull shine. They come in different widths and lengths and can be applied to poly-based hair system, providing strong, secure wear for the user. However, they do not stick to lace. Super Blue Lace Liner Front Tape. Our hairstylists recommend this amazing hair system tape for lace-based systems. It quickly melts, creating a perfect consistency that allows a firm hold lasting 1 to 3 weeks. It also offers a transparent, dull finish, making it invisible on the hair system. Note that this adhesive does not stick onto monofilament, but can be used on poly. No glue. This tape gives a strong, longer-lasting hold. You'll get up to 14 days of consistent hold with minimal residue. Its dull shine and matte finish make this one of the most popular tapes for lace-based hair systems. It could also be used on poly. Vape-on lace effects. These clear traditional strips are used on curved edges and narrow areas of the hair system. They last about 1 to 2 weeks. However, it can be used on poly and lace, which is favorite with many lace front users. Max Matrix Lace Tape. These straight contoured hair system strips are strong, matte finished, and waterproof. They last 1 to 2 weeks, giving you a secure and comfortable wear for your lace and poly-based hair systems. This tape is highly recommended for lace wearers and is fantastic for theatrical and stage hair industry special effects. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!